Hey, it's Randy from Mountain Air Farms. Alright, you hadn't heard from us for a couple of weeks. We've been extremely busy working, and this is our porch project. I said when I first got my sawmill, that was the first thing I cut because that was what my wife told me I could get my sawmill for if I cut her the porch package to do her add-on on the porch. But all our lumber came from the sawmill. We got all our lumber there. The only thing we had to buy was a tin. And we've been working on our pool too. We got our pool in. But this has just been what we've been doing for the past 2 weeks. She can just go around and show you some of the stuff that we've done. We've got our TV out here, so we can sit out here and watch TV at night. We've got our ceiling fans hung.
Now this is all rough cut lumber, correct?
It's all rough cut lumber. They say you can't build with rough cut lumber, but I just built with rough cut lumber. The whole house is rough cut lumber, so you can build with rough cut lumber. It just takes a little bit finessing at times to get it to work how you want it to work.
Well, it's kind of level, measure a little bit more, level a little bit more.
And it's easier since I'm cutting the wood. I can cut it exactly how I want it. But it's all poplar.
So the only thing we actually bought was the tin that went on top, and this dimension is 22 by 36? 38. So it's a pretty good sized deck coming off from our house, but it's 22 by 38. And really the only thing we had to buy was the tin for the roof, the lighting, ceiling fans, and electric. If we had to buy the wood for this, how much would this have cost us?
It's hard telling in today's terms. It would have been a lot.
Right. Well, I mean, current prices in East Tennessee, a 2x4 itself is $9.
Yeah.
So, and
it would have been a lot more.
Oh yeah, and we're looking at, 4x6s and 2x6s. So a lot of wood here.
But all the wood came off sawmill.
How many trees did it take?
I don't know for sure.
I think 5, I believe.
I don't know for sure. Just whatever it took.
Whatever it took. Now, our style is a little bit different. We love old rustic country, but then we like unique things. Like there is a stoplight behind Randy, and it's real. So just different, eclectic.
And we didn't steal it. We bought it.
Yeah, we didn't steal it. We bought it. Bought it from a friend at an auction. And like here in the middle of everything, I found this beautiful chandelier. Kind of different, but it's beautiful. It looks perfect here. So a little bit different. We love antique things, so like the old Coke machine, but yet we like the metal, rustic, just a hodgepodge of stuff. We did bring our TV out, so we've got internet out here and wireless out here for watching TV at night. He did make a outdoor kitchen in this area over here, which has got, of course, water and refrigerator, coffee maker, hot plate, things of that nature. And there's still a few things we still have to do. He left this lower ceiling because it was kind of neat. It's almost like an arbor. Something we could do in little small lights, Christmas lights, but we thought it was unique looking. We just enjoy having this space out here. It's nice, it's beautiful weather. A little bit cool today. It's mid-80s today. We're enjoying the weather. Sit out here, have dinner, enjoy friends, family comes over. Now, we do have our pool out here. He did have to finish the deck going around the pool, so it's just a nice, quiet, peaceful getaway. But we did want to show you what we have been doing. And like I said, this was part of what we've been used our sawmill for, cutting the lumber, making all this lumber possible to where we can make this beautiful setting. It's our own little oasis. Well, Randy, do you have anything else that you would like to say?
Just remember, like and subscribe.
Yes, please like and subscribe. And we're going to get back to trying to send you at least 2 videos a week. We'll hopefully get back to a normal routine. So, as always, remember, we love you. God loves you. Y'all have a blessed day.